working on multiple new products, both ICE and EV segments. They drive the company's next phase of growth. Concept and upcoming products were shown at EICMA 2025. TVS has now filed a design patent for the EFX30 in India. It's an contemporary design with sharp panel. Electric bike features a rectangle lamp and likely equipped with USD forks. Or the can see a large battery pack which does not appear to be covered. This approach could help with cooling, although the bike is expected to have a integrated cooling system. Highlights include sleek tank extensions and grooves on the side fairing. They are likely to enhance the bike's dynamic efficiency. The bike has low set handlebars and rider-only stance seems naturally biased towards an riding position. The cockpit is minimal with only a compact instrument console. On the left, there appears to be a dedicated gear for navigating the instrumentation. Screen details are not revealed yet. The image shows the rear wheel rendered in solid form. A belt drive setup is also shown with the swing arm. Since this may not be a true representational train. As EFX30 is a high-performance electric bike, it will have a mid-mount. It has a monoshock rear suspension. Both appear to have the same wheel size. Rear using wider tires for enhanced braking setup comprises of petrol ends. Dual channel ABS is expected to offer standard. Bike appears with a massive battery. One can expect super fast acceleration and a great top speed. Depending on the mode selection, one can expect the bike to offer class-leading range. It's expected to get all LED lighting in the rears. Enthusiasts can expect a comprehensive range of technology on it, such as dedicated EFT instrument console. Features like dashcam, blind spot, collision warning, and overtake alert should also be there. To introduce it sometime in 2020.